September. Yeah, we're in March now. That's the next year. No, we don't have any challenge. The only challenge we have in initial stage was the soft structure. There was an existing structure there. Then we have to provide it to plaster it, to relate to come out of the soft structure. But as soon as we overcame the soft structure issues, the other ones started moving. So I like to have the timelines. Milestones. Specifically spelled out. I was appointed in the first place to be here to maintain law and order that will enable us go back to what the state is supposed to be. In the last 2 days, you're also aware that I had been at the executive arm of the state governance structure, and one of the pillars that is missing for now is the legislature, and for them to function effectively, they also need a place to work from. Perhaps I'm here to be sure that work is going on as expected, so that by the end of the 6 months, this place will be ready for those who need to use it. I think basically that's what it is.
We'd like to know whether you will be pushing the contractor to ensure that it's completed within this year.
They have a schedule and they have timelines that I believe they will adhere to. Okay. I think the state has done its own bit by providing the necessary funds. I was briefed, and so the onus is on them to make sure that they keep to the terms. Okay.
Thank you. All right.
No, we're not changing. I said September. We are.
Both sides, on this side and then on this side. Other pieces of the ground floor, third floor, and then the upper floor.
Is it?